Learn the cucumber diet. You will not regret. Cucumber is a low-calorie food since a portion of 100 grams has only 16 calories. In addition, the vegetable is rich in nutrients that helps the body to properly work, such as proteins, carbohydrates, fibers, manganese, zinc, potassium, among others. The presence of vitamin C in the food causes it to be used to prevent disease. Because it is not very caloric, it is used in diets. Learn below how to make the cucumber diet. There are several types of cucumber diets spread across the internet. One of each we are going present promises to eliminate 6 pounds in 15 days. To be successful, you need to include cucumber salad and cucumber-based shake on your meals. The good thing about this programmed food is that you can consume as much cucumber as you want in salads and shake. It is necessary to be persistent, and during the cucumber diet, you should consume only foods listed below: boiled egg, chicken breast, tuna without oil, potato cooked only, fruits, vegetables, bread, integral only, tea, coffee without sugar, water. You should scratch from the menu alcohol, canned, and soft drinks. At a breakfast, you can eat 2 boiled eggs and a cucumber salad, a bowl. Season the salad with lemon. At the time of the morning snack, plants, 5, an apple or any other fruit smaller than 200 grams. At lunchtime, have a whole grain toast, chicken breast, 150 grams, and cucumber, a large boiled. In the afternoon snack, make the cucumber shake with ginger. It is a delight. At dinner, consume oilless tuna and a 300 grams fruit. Here's how to prepare the cucumber shake and salad. You need to slice 400 grams of cucumber, add garlic, salt, and 200 milliliters of yogurt. The shake needs to be prepared with an unpeeled cucumber, spinach, a handful, a green apple, ginger chips, and walnuts or almonds. Mix everything in the blender and drink it. But attention, the shake needs to be drunk when it is still fresh. Why use lemon and ginger in the cucumber diet? As we have said, the cucumber diet recipe should always have lemon and ginger. This should be done because lemon is an important antioxidant, which helps eliminate toxins that cause swelling. This happens thanks to vitamin C present in the fruit. Ginger is a thermogenic, and because of this, it increases the temperature of the body, which causes the burning of calories. If you enjoyed the video, like and sign up for the channel. And don't forget to share with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye!